I'm Sarah Borkson-Keto with NAREITsREIT.com, and I'm here in Las Vegas for REITWorld 2015, NAREIT's annual convention for all things REIT. I'm joined today by Stuart Tanz, President and CEO of Retail Opportunity Investments Corp. Hi Stuart, thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
So in the first 9 months of this year, you booked $310 million in acquisitions in grocery-based shopping centers. Is that a pace you expect to sustain going forward?
You know, as always, we're very disciplined in terms of how we grow the company, but in terms of 2015, the pace has really been the same pace that we've done over the last couple of years, about $310 million. Going forward, I think that we'll be able to continue that pace at the same, probably around the same level, maybe even a bit more.
And how do leasing levels look in 2015 compared to past years?
Well, the fundamentals on the West Coast have been really strong and have gotten stronger certainly over the last couple of years. From a leasing perspective, we've leased about 1 million square feet, double actually what was set to roll over in terms of our tenant base this year. So we're off to one of our strongest years ever from a leasing perspective. And we've, as we reported very recently in our last quarter, we've been able to capture some very large increases on that rollover, about 53% for our non-anchor space, 20% for both new and renewed leases. So we anticipate the leasing strength of the West Coast to continue for certainly looking out into the future.
And as you look ahead, what do you see as the greatest opportunities to enhance value? At
ROIC, there are a number of places where we can continue to enhance value in terms of building net asset value for the shareholders of the company. It's being done primarily on the operating side of the company through releasing space and re-merchandising our tenant base at the shopping centers that we own. We have been able to play offense versus defense in terms of taking a lot of the anchor spaces that we own and either terminating those leases and at the same time bringing in tenants, stronger tenants, that primarily grocery stores that can pay us a lot more in rent. So we're building value through that perspective as well. More importantly, our balance sheet. We have one of the most unencumbered balance sheets in the retail sector. And to me, building value and NAV for shareholders really comes through having that unencumbered balance sheet, because the things that we can do to build value very quickly are really done by being able to go in and do things at the property level that really are important in terms of having no debt at that property or on that property. So we're going to continue to build value through the strength of our team at the property level, as well as through the strength of our balance sheet.
Oh, great, thanks Stuart.
Thank you.
And for more news and information on REITWorld 2015, be sure to visit REIT.com.